So another lovely day here at International IEAcro, 2404 Crofton Boulevard. So we've got the front desk in place. This is what it looks like when you walk into the building. We're obviously going to be fixing the floor up, but just to kind of give you an idea, the front desk. We've got an office. We've got the fridge in there now just for space. We're going to have a desk or two, so parents potentially needing to do work or kids can come in and do some homework or anything like that. We're going to have good Wi-Fi. We've already started to do some of the demolition. We've got a door here into the gym area. There's some of the old insulation. We certainly enjoyed making a mess today. The closet and bathroom here are going to be extended to this wall. We've already started taking down some of the drywall, cutting out some of the old electrical. There was an automation system company here, home automation system, and so we were pulling some of their old wiring out. As we come down the hallway, all this is going to be opened to the gym. This will be all part of the gym. And again, here's basically our simple demarc that we've started. So let me kind of walk around. There's a pile of cable that I've been cutting out for the last hour or so. And again, we've got a lot of old insulation that's nasty we need to get rid of. If anybody would like to buy some sheets of plywood, we've got everything from 1/2 inch to I think maybe even 3/4 inch. We really did a good job cleaning up the gym area. We did a couple dump runs. Yes, Porsches can tow. Some guy at the dump was laughing and talking about that. Like I said, we've done a really good job cleaning up, and here's what it looks like from the outside. Hopefully the next major step is getting some of that HVAC equipment turned back, moved back and cleaned up. We do have a lighting plan in place. We're going to go all LEDs, but just want to give you guys an update in terms of the mess we like to make today. And it's awesome. Here, let me go wide angle. There you go. Oh, I can't go wide angle on this, but again, thanks for watching, and we'll have a video shortly soon.